It's the rule number 1, remember the human. Rule number 2, adhere to the same standard behavior online that you're following in your real life. Rule number 3, know where you are in cyberspace. Rule number 4, respect other people's time and bad. Right. Rule number 5, make yourself look good online. Rule number 6, share expert knowledge. Rule number 7, help keep claim wars under control. Rule number 8, respect other people's privacy. Ano? Rule number 9, don't abuse your power. Rule number 10, be forgiving of other people's mistakes.